Hello guys, I'm a pet dog, and today I want to do Sky High, but the main reason I'm posting this video is because my dad figured out how to change my YouTube username. So he said post a new video and see what happens, see if it says Sassy Me still. So I'm just posting a new video to see if it changed to it. It says, please type your full name. I'm like, okay, I'm not going to do my real life full name. So I'm just going to, I'm a pet dog. Then it says, please type your last name. So I just did Star. So I'm just going to do Sky High to entertain you guys. Okay, please work. Please work, YouTube username. Please work. Hold on. Yeah, Dad? Okay, that was just my dad. He wanted to just say something to me, but he changed his mind. I think you heard him. I'm not sure. But maybe you have. Okay, please work, YouTube username. Please work, please work, please work. I hope this video will upload fast. Right after the Sky High, I'm just going to end the video. Because it's not really just for video for jammers to watch. Hold on. Yes, Mom? Okay. Alright, now just my mom told me that I need to get ready for bed. Okay, I see why. It's almost 10 o'clock. 9:49. And it just won't change. Change to 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Okay, it just won't change. That's just weird. The time won't change, it's just like frozen. Okay, it's actually frozen. No, really, it's actually frozen. Oh, now it's changed. Oh, it changed to 9:50. Hey, so I have more time. I forgot. There's still more time. It does just go up to 40. I hope my YouTube username changed. I just pulled up I am a pet dog star, and all these dog videos just pulled up. I'm like, what in the world? That's not me at all. It's not even Animal Jam. But I didn't scroll down. Maybe I was somewhere in that area because I just didn't scroll down. Darn it, I just should have scrolled down. I should have. Okay, what do I get? Heart Locket, that's a nice prize actually. I don't have that much gems because I bought some items. Okay, goodbye guys. Please subscribe. You didn't really have to watch. This was just a testing video. Goodbye.